Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of Political Science of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Constitutional Design. In the previous video, we have discussed about the need of constitution and making of the Indian Constitution. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Constituent Assembly. The drafting of the Constitution was done by an assembly of elected representatives, and this assembly was called Constituent Assembly. Elections to the Constituent Assemblies were held in July 1946. Its first meeting was held in December 1946. After partition of India and Pakistan, the Constituent Assembly was divided into Constituent Assemblies of India and Pakistan. Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution constituted 299 members. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26th November 1949. It came into effect on 26th January 1950. To mark this day, we celebrate 26th January as Republic Day every year. The Constitution does not reflect the view of its members alone, but expresses a broad consensus of its time. Over the years, several groups have questioned some provisions of the Constitution, but no large social group or political party has ever questioned its legitimacy. This is an unusual achievement for the Indian Constitution on the world stage. Another reason for accepting the Constitution is that the Constituent Assembly represented the people of India. It could not be chosen directly by all the people, as there was no universal adult franchise at that time. The Constituent Assembly was elected by the members of the existing provincial legislature. This ensured a fair geographical share of members from all regions of the country. The assembly was dominated by the Indian National Congress, which included a variety of political and regional groups of people. In social terms, the assembly represented members from different language groups, castes, classes, religions, and occupations. Finally, the Constituent Assembly worked in a systematic, open, and consensual manner, which gave sacred quality to the Constitution. Drafting committees and Constituent Assembly. First, some basic principles were decided, and then a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion. The discussion of the draft constitution took place clause by clause. The members of the drafting committee completed the work in 114 days spread over 3 years. More than 2000 constitutional amendments were made. Every document presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. These are called Constituent Assembly debates and have been printed in 12 bulky volumes. These debates provide the rationale behind every provisions of the Constitution and are used to interpret the meaning of the Constitution. In the next video, we will discuss about guiding values of the Indian Constitution.